How to join Telegram group via QR code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can join a Telegram group via QR code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to join a particular Telegram group and you have its QR code, so first of all, make sure you locate your QR code on your gallery over here. So as you can see in my case, this is a QR code of a particular group maybe that I'd like to join. Another thing that you need is a QR scanner. Now if your phone has a default QR scanner, that's perfectly fine. You can simply open up your phone's default scanner. Now since we're choosing from our gallery, we have to simply select the gallery icon. And if you don't have a QR code on your device, which is a scanner, then in that case you can download a third-party application from the Play Store. Then just open that app, select that particular QR code here, then it will just go ahead and then basically select it, hit the done button, then it will give you the link of the QR code. You can simply choose to open the link, and if you have Telegram installed on your device, it will directly open it on the Telegram application. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically join Telegram group via QR code. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.